Hi, in this video I'll be sharing my thoughts on Newton's first law, or rather students' difficulties with Newton's first law. You know, every student can state the Newton's first law during exams, perfect. But you know, I think only half of them maybe really internalize it. How do I know? Because if they had internalized it, they wouldn't be having so much problems understanding circular motion or simple harmonic motion later. So what's so difficult about Newton's first law? I think it's because everywhere we look, a body at rest does not stay at rest, and a body in motion does not stay in motion. Of course, then we explain to the students, it's the force of gravity that causes objects to fall. It's the force of friction that causes objects to stop. But you know, forces such as gravity and friction are not as visible to the students compared to forces exerted by humans or a horse, or some living thing. So to be fair to the students, I think Newton's first law always requires our slow thinking to overcome our fast thinking. It requires our logic to overcome our intuition. So I always wonder, how can we help our students to overcome this ingrained habit of thinking that forces are required to maintain motion, as opposed to the correct understanding that forces are required to change motion. One way could be to make our students ice skate without wearing the skates. Let them struggle to get themselves moving. Let them experience a body at rest, stay at rest. We can also make our students ride bicycles with no brakes. Let them struggle to find ways to slow down. Let them experience, a body in motion really wants to stay in motion. But the best, I think the best method is to put our students in a car driven by a stunt driver. Let our students feel their body's determination, the natural tendency for their bodies to continue moving in a straight line. Then they will have a solid feel of their inertia. You'll have a first-hand feel of their inertia. Then maybe Newton's first law will not be just logical, but intuitive as well. Ta-ta!